Yes, the companies had sent me these blowers, and I just do a quick comparison to them. Uh, Now these two right here, this is the Wolfman, this is the Riot, and these each have two 20-volt batteries, and they're the 2 ampere batteries that come with each one of them. This one right here, it comes with a 20-volt, but it's got the 5.2 batteries in it, and it is bigger batteries, which makes it last longer and uh, gives it a little bit more power as a general rule. As far as weight, the Wolfman, of course, it's a little bit smaller, but it is a little bit lighter, and it's got 2 speeds on it, and it's the same way with the Riot. It's got 2 speeds with it, and this one here, this is, don't know how to say it, YOOVL. And now this one, uh, it's a little bit bigger motor, and it's got 3 speeds. And you turn it on, and then it's got, you hit this, so it's got, it's got a little more power, it's a little more heavy. And, depending on what your usage is, uh, for fairly light duty, either one of these would be good. A little bit heavier duty stuff for heavy leaves and stuff. This one right here, it looks like it's going to be just a little stronger and everything. So uh, this is the basic comparison to it. They're all basically leaf blowers, but depending on if you need something lightweight, if you want something heavyweight, then look into it, decide which one you want. Okay, we're starting off right here, and just for the sound value of it, and that is the low speed. So that was the high speed. And we're going to go to this one right here, do the same thing, start at the low speed, and go to high speed. Okay, and then we're going to try this last one. That's on low, and medium. That one's on high. That's just exactly. So that's the sound factor on these.